Found a little place. Gonna fly. It is it's not even 7 in the morning, so it's all nice and dewy. Hopefully if I crash I don't go out in the grass, but yeah, it's gonna be fun. It looks pretty nice. I only got 3 packs, so yeah, let's rip them up and bring Kenowa Hills some class. You know what I'm saying? There's some here. Here we go. Lately of how bad my video has been because, like, I don't know about y'all, but my confidence in my flying is almost directly connected to my video strength and video signal, whatever. So like if I can't get good video signal, I almost like just fly around like a bird. Like I don't do gaps and stuff. Yeah, hopefully this quad has better video signal and strength and whatever. But last time I flew it was shaky. I did change the mounts because it was the only thing I could think of. I guess we'll see. This part of the video might be shaky, but you'll know why. So yeah, new quad, better video signal. Here we go. that time, the video was so good. It's so much better. And I just need to change my VTX, I think. I don't know what it is. It shouldn't be anything really. But I don't know if this is shaky. I do know that this camera, the actual like DVR camera, my run cam, the way it's mounted, it just shakes. Like I've gotten footage off this quad that had no shake, no wobble or anything, no jello, and it still, when I was flying, it shook. So I really don't know what this is gonna look like, but I know there's less of a pain in the ass and it's easier to fly. So we're gonna do this and it's gonna be fun. Last pack, here we go. Let's see, I don't know what to do. We'll do it. Bah. What? There's no way. So, I guess I got ahead of myself. It doesn't look like I'm gonna fly that quad again. I accidentally changed the power output on the VTX from 25 to 200, and then my screen just went static, and then you can't do anything because you can't see your menu through the static. This is a flawed system. No wonder why DJI came out with their stupid thing and why a bunch of people are gonna buy it. I have changed my VTX output power from 25 to 200 and it broke. There's no reason that happened. There's no good reason that happened. And there's no good reason why this fucking one on this quad isn't working very good. It just isn't. And that's just how they work, and that's just what's happening. And that's what I gotta deal with. I love this hobby. I love flying drones. God.
night, family.
Let me ask you this. Let me ask a couple questions right now while I pack up my shit. One, what is the biggest thing for you? What's the biggest issue? What's the thing you have to, stop flying to fix the most often? What keeps you from going and flying the most? As far as like what's wrong with your quads and things like, oh, I can't go fly because, oh, none of my quads are working right now. Like, not that answer. Is it like ESCs? Do you guys have a lot of ESC problems? Because honestly, I feel like I've almost had like almost no ESC problems. Like on my first setup, my Wizard setup, I broke an ESC. The ESCs they were using on the Wizards, it was surprising and impressive that it wasn't just already broke when I got it. So for me, it's video transmitters, like by far. I do have issues, like this, my second setup is vibey. It's got jello and vibrations, and I really don't know what's causing it, and I really can't figure it out no matter how hard I try. And everybody just, like, the tips you get when you ask that are so upsetting, because people just say stupid The first time this got wobbly, it was because I crashed and the props got chipped. Right? No, the first time I flew it, it had a completely chipped prop, and that's why it was wobbly. I switched the props and then it was good, and then I crashed again, but it didn't even affect the props, but then it was wobbly again. So that's one issue I have had. I have had issues with shit being wobbly, but I seem to almost always have video transmitter problems. Like, video transmitters are like the worst technology, compared to the rest. Like my receiver and radio, radio receiver, I've literally never had anything happen. I've never fail-safed. One time, my shit unbound, but I have easy receivers and I just rebound it really, like, in 2 seconds. So I've never had a problem with my radio I've never had an ESC just go out. I've never had a camera just go out. I've never broken a camera. Oh, I did. I drowned a camera once. I crashed in water and it was underwater for a while. So I broke a camera, but I've never broken a camera, An impact didn't affect my camera at any point. Never broke a motor. I've obviously broken props. Never broke an arm. I have broke a quad in half. But I've broken 2 video transmitters. I broke these, I can never remember what it's called, the super thick wire for the antennas and shit. I broke 2 of those on small crashes. I broke an antenna, and then I've had this video transmitter. It's just not great. I don't know how else to explain it. It's Tramp HV, not Tramp. HV, whatever it is. But it's a really good video transmitter, highly rated, top dog. I spent $30 on it when usually I spend 12. And this one's pretty much a piece of shit. And the AKK ones I was using, never had a problem with them, really, no. So the other one, I don't know what it is, but that one, I don't even know. When I first used it, at one point, the video just went black, not even static, it went black. And then I just unarmed and it hit the ground, and then when I just looked at my goggles again, it was just fine, and I've been fine ever since. But today, in that quad, I've turned up my VTX power from 25 milliwatts, which I'm pretty sure is pit mode, I don't know, to 200, which is the lowest besides 25 that offers. And then as soon as I hit OK, it went to static. What's that? What is that? If anybody has suggestions for video transmitters that are actually dependable in a real sense at all, please tell me. I have one I can't wait to try. It's the TBS one. It's gotta be good, but it's used, so for all I know, it's the biggest in the world. Because I had 3 unbranded VTXs I got in a bunch of stuff I bought from somebody. And they were just I think they were just 200 milliwatt video transmitters, just locked, 200. And I never had bad range. I never had bad penetration, the wind wasn't that bad. Like, nothing was that bad. And then I was like, oh, well, time to upgrade. I upgraded, and now I'm just in a fucking world of issues. Ugh. Video transmitters are a pain in my ass, and I'm over them.